Stand folded gate against the door frame where you intend to mount it. Mark the mounting surface through the holes in the hinge bar with a pen or pencil. Stretch the gate across the opening. Line up the locking bar on the opposite side so that the padlock hole in the gate and the padlock hole in the locking bar match. Mark through the mounting holes of the locking bar with a pen or pencil. Drill holes and insert the screws to mount the locking bar. Pull the door into the locking bar and insert the padlock.